Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the hidden superpowers of Facebook story ads. And by the way, if you are looking for help with scaling your Facebook ads or e-commerce business, there's a link below in the description. So just click on it, apply for a free strategy session with my team where we'll see how we can help you to scale your business to the next level. And if we're a good fit, we'll be working together scaling your business. So Facebook story ads, right? So this is just one of the types of ads on Facebook that you can use, and this is very powerful. I'll show you some of the ways that you can leverage it for your own business and some of the hidden things that you might not know that you can utilize to get much better results with story ads. So plenty of brands are leveraging stories to accomplish a lot of different goals, and as a result, most of them are focusing on building brand awareness, but also they're increasing engagement. And a lot of the businesses and a lot of the accounts we work with, we actually see the sales that are actually happening because of the Facebook stories. So stories are good for not just for this like brand awareness, engagement, like top of the funnel, but also for sales as well. So 8 best practices to create highly converting social stories. So you can see on screen, one of the things is increasing the longevity of your stories with highlights. So when you add stories to a dedicated highlight on Instagram, you're extending their lifespan significantly, so you can take them beyond the 24-hour constraint, right? So typical stories like 24 hours constraint. So when people see your story later, they might not be, they might be also like encouraged to convert. And by then, they increase the life of your post and its effectiveness. So you have this feature with highlights, right? So you can just use that for highlighting a specific post. So it will be always present on top of your feed. So always use the swipe up feature. So if you have more than 10,000 followers, you can make great use of swipe up feature. So this allows you to add a link directly from the story itself, which is powerful advantage. So if you don't have that 10,000 followers, just do a paid story ad. So this is something that the advantage that you would have like once you have 10,000 followers. So increase stoppable posts whenever possible. So Instagram now allows brands who are using the native shopping features to tag products in stories themselves. So when users click on product tag on the stories, they can see additional details about the product like items name, description, and price. And if they choose to, they can click again basically to be taken to the page where they can purchase the item. Use call to action to your advantage. So sign up for webinar today, get notification for upcoming product launch. For example, shop now, buy now, like all of those things you can put inside of your stories, and you can also ask them to swipe up if that's your goal. Use conversion-oriented stickers. So set up the shoppable campaigns, tagging products, and hopefully you can drive just immediate sales from it. So that's pretty much all you need if you have account with good. If you have good amount of followers, over 10,000 followers, then you can simply utilize this feature and just drive immediate sales. Incorporate user-generated content into your campaigns. So if you have the customer permission, just utilize the content from users into your campaigns. So whether it's photos or videos, just utilize it and use it as a content for your brand. So for example, if you have products like clothing and accessories, and people actually wearing your products, you have photos with them, then all you need to do is simply have those products and people featured on your feed, and then you can also tag the person so their followers might also see your brand, so you get additional exposure because of that. Showcase the benefit of what you're selling. So if you really want to drive conversions, if that's your main goal, you want to make a case for why people should purchase, sign up, or register for whatever it is you want to hold their attention. So don't just say you holding a webinar, highlight it again and again, and why it will be valuable to your audience. So like regular sales process, explain the benefits of your specific offering would apply. So selling doesn't go anywhere. If you want to sell, you need to sell everywhere. Leverage urgency. So you can offer like seasonal discounts, talk about flash sales, Black Friday Cyber Monday, Christmas, all of those things. We mentioned that whenever you have a limited supply or of something in stock, and urgency can drive conversions like no others, because especially because most people when they check something, they might like it, but they would think, oh, I just check it out later, and they never will, right? So 5 examples of Facebook and Instagram stories that convert. So I want to show you the examples of these. So Atleta is major brand. So they have a team of people like managing their Instagram and stories. So Atleta is a major brand. So their Instagram stories, their Facebook stories, like they're on point. You can see here they have the product here featured. So you can see the product name and you can see the details. So that's actually clickable, and you can see the details of the product, and you can also see more. So you can just click through and see the product and actually purchase it. So very nicely done. You can see here some more details. So you can pair this kind of like product with another product. So very nicely done, very graphically, very visually, creatively done. So Purple, they're selling mattresses, and this story is clearly designed to drive conversions quickly, leveraging sale energy. It's a very simple offer, like you would see on billboards, or you would see on other medias, but it's kind of like swipe up here. You can see specific offer, deadline, description of the offer. That's it, right? So very simple, to the point, as the same message that you would see on billboards or anywhere else. The Pampered Chef, so they have a little more indirect approach, right? So for example, they would, how good does it look, right? So they would have like good options. You would have to choose here, good or so good. And when you choose it, then you go to the next stage in the funnel, and basically they would execute how to execute these 3 steps. And they always use at least one of their products with shoutouts about where to purchase them. So this is kind of like interactive features, like a poll. So you say either good or so good, and then you have the option to purchase it. So Vuori, so this is another brand. So there are a lot of, the softest jogger you'll ever own. So this is their offer. And it's about the offer. This is about the USP, the unique selling proposition that this brand has developed for themselves. James Allen, so they're doing pretty good here in terms of they're utilizing the, as you can see, user-generating content. They're tagging the person kind of like name here, and they have kind of like call out, basically describing what exactly is included here, and swipe up to view this ring style in 360%. So this is very good, kind of like nicely structured here, and they have it done in a very like visual format. So final thoughts, Facebook and Instagram stories can be very powerful in driving sales to your business, not just brand awareness, engagement. So all of those things are just became the part of the sales process, right? So people see stuff, people buy stuff. So whether it's your brand or dropshipping, I highly recommend you experiment with stories. And once you get some proof of concept, obviously you can have some your assistant to do all of these things for you. But definitely explore it and make sure that it's something that you have evaluated, because it's part of the sales process. People spending a lot of time there, and it might help you with top of the funnel or even bottom of the funnel of your business. So by the way, guys, if you're looking for help scaling your e-commerce or dropshipping business, there's a link below in the description. Click on it and get access to, we have a free strategy session for people who qualify. So we'll see if that's a good fit for us to work together. We'll see how we can help you to scale your business. If you like this video, please comment below with your questions, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.